Twisted Sniper 42 here at Sniper Scale Models. This is just an update on the VIP build that I was doing for George at Vision 124 for their show last year that I had so many paint issues with that I just put it to one side. I just got on my nerves, so I just put it to one side. I'm still having paint issues with it, unfortunately, but never mind, I will get there. So this is obviously the Toyota or the Lexus, whichever you wish to call it. It's the K-brake kit. I won't be using these rims. I've got some aftermarket rims that I have adapted as well, but I'm not going to show you those. So that's what I am doing. So far I have got some paint on it, as you guys can see. I don't know whether, oh no, it's a bit, it's actually, it might show a bit, no maybe not. It's actually a pearl pink. It's called Fantasy Pink Pearl, and on the side is actually again, it is actually what did I start with? We started off with the grey primer, then we did what did I do after that? I did an aluminium base. On top of the aluminium base I then did a candy gold, but made the candy gold so dark that it was near enough black, and then over top of the candy gold, again you can see a little bit better in here, I put the pink fantasy again, which you can just about see that when you go through the light you can see the colour change in the pearl. So, and you can, I don't know, you probably can't see on here, there's a little bit of sparkle. It's actually got a balloon white, you can just about see a little sparkle here and there. Light doesn't do it any justice. It's actually got a little bit of pearl powder in it as well, balloon white, but it shows up in the sunlight, but in here it just looks like little flaky bits. But yeah, this is paint wise, this is as far as I've got with it. I'm still not 100% happy with it, but it's getting there. It's getting there. As you can see, it's got the these down here, the decals down here. I'm going to move them up. I might split them, move them up, put half at the top and half just underneath the body line there. So I might do that. I don't know yet, but it's still got to go. It's got to go in clear coat, so I've got to put those on, then put it in clear coat. But what else? I've got bits and pieces laying about here and everywhere. Some bits painted. I've got the chassis painted. Again, it's with the you can probably see it a bit better here. The pearl purple, the pearl pink. Sorry, but yeah, the chassis is done. What else is done? There's some other bits and pieces that are done somewhere in probably in another box. This rear suspension and that and front suspension is all primed and ready. But yeah, I think that's in another box. So I just thought I'd update you guys on this. I have also been working on the CP101. Again, I've done some more work on that, but not a lot. So I'm taking that one a little bit slower. I know it's meant to be done ages ago, but I'm just doing it a little bit slower. So yeah, that's all I got, guys. I just thought you might be interested in what I was actually up to, and basically that is what I was up to. Will it go any right? No, probably not. I don't know whether you can see there. Probably not. Anyway, yeah, that's what I was up to, guys. So thanks for watching. Thanks for all the comments. I appreciate all you guys for your subscriptions. I'm nearly at the 500 mark, so that's great. Can't wait till I get there. Thanks, guys. Build strong, and I'll see you later. Bye bye.